April 28, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
It's already the end of April, and we still haven't done spring cleaning.
There's no avoiding it now. Let's just get it over with.
That's the spirit. You're in charge of the vacuum. It's way too noisy for me.
Deal. But you're definitely mopping the floor then.
Expressions to remember. It's already the end of spring cleaning. There's no ing. Let's get it over with. That's the spirit. You're in charge of. It's way too. Deal. Mop the floor.
April 29, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
My closet is a total mess. I can't put off cleaning anymore.
I can help. Let's start with the clothes you never wear.
I might need them one day.
You haven't worn that sweater in 2 years. Let's donate it.
Fine, but just help me fold the rest, not donate.
Expressions to remember. Closet. A total mess. Put off. Let's start with. I might need. In 2 years. Donate. Just help me. Fold. The rest. April 30th, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English.
I've always wanted to grow flowers in my garden.
Sure, why not? We've got seeds, a shovel, and gloves ready.
Do you think they'll grow well?
Absolutely. With some water and sunlight, they'll bloom in no time.
Okay. Then let's get started today before the sun goes down.
Expressions to remember. I've always wanted to. Why not? We've got something ready. Seed. Shovel. Do you think they'll? Absolutely. Sunlight. Bloom. In no time. Let's get started. Before the sun goes down. May 1st, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English. Are you doing anything for Children's Day?
Yeah, taking my nephew to the amusement park. It's gonna be packed, though.
Definitely. Kids love it, but waiting in long lines is a nightmare.
True, but it's his big day. I'll just do my best.
Good luck surviving the crowds.
Expressions to remember. Are you doing anything for nephew? Amusement park. It's gonna be packed. Waiting in long lines. Nightmare. Big day. Do one's best. Good luck ing.
May 2nd, 2025, EBS Easy English, Daily English. I need to get a gift for my niece. Any ideas?
How old is she?
She's 7. Loves drawing and crafts.
Maybe a DIY art set. Kids love making stuff.
That's perfect. I'll grab one after work.
Expressions to remember. I need to get a gift. Niece. Any ideas? How old is she? Love ing. Craft. DIY. Stuff. That's perfect. Grab. After work.